Hey guys, it's me Momita and welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Today I'm going to take you to a very beautiful place. I visited this place recently and it's just so awesome. Let's check it out together. It's located in Palolem Beach, Goa. Palolem Beach is located in the south side of the Goa, and for me it is the one of the most beautiful beach in Goa. So we booked a room in this resort. Its name is Marron View Sea Resort. We got a sea view room. Just look at the view. This is the view we will have when we wake up from our sweet morning sleep. Just awesome, just look at the view. And I'm going to give you a quick tour to our room. We will be staying here for 2 days and 1 night. We are going to move to another resort in South Goa only. If possible, I will share the vlog of that resort. The room is decent, it's clean, it's nice. But who is going to stay in the room? The view is just killing. So we all got freshened up and went out and see the greenery, see the resort. Is so cute. The huts are so cute. This is the dining space, and I must say the food is so reasonable. The cost of food is so reasonable. It's time to check out the beach. One of my funky classes. I love this pink color. What do you think about it? And these are more shacks. Some more hotels are there. See the beach. It's just beautiful. It's clean, it's nice, it's calm. If you want to spend some nice time with family and your loved ones, you just come and relax here. This resort is just awesome. You can definitely check it out, and it's very easy to locate also. You just have to Google it, the Marron View Resort. It is in Palolem Beach. They have their own beachside chairs. You can rest over there, check out the sunset. It's just so nice. It's all about the nice life in Palolem. Small shacks, they provide good food and music. And we have tried some fish. There are many type of kingfish, pond. Yes, this is a dinner. So yum. So that's all about today's video. It was such a nice experience staying in Marron Sea Resort. Do check it out and let me know your views regarding the video in the comment section. And if you have any query, please come put it in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please hit the like button and share with your family and friends. And enjoy!